So one of the biggest concerns with most generic visitor management systems is just ineffective and inefficient check-in process because of the way they handle the different types of visitors. Not every visitor needs to sign documentation. Not every visitor needs to watch a safety video. Not every visitor is going to go into a dangerous part of your facility. So logic paths and visitor journeys in LobbyFox are probably the very most important aspect of LobbyFox. This is why we're able to accommodate each and every type of visitor that you have exactly the way that visitor should be handled.
When a visitor enters your facility, one of the first things they're asked is, who are you? Are you a contractor, a delivery driver? Are you a family member visiting someone that works there? We then know the different things that you need to be supplied for your visit.
It determines whether they need a host, what videos, user agreements, forms, quizzes are relevant to them, serves them, collects the signatures, and then prints a badge if necessary.
If you're a DoorDash visitor, you don't even need to enter the facility. So there's no reason for you to get a badge printed. There's no reason for you to watch a safety video. Conversely to that, if you're a vendor and you need to visit the facility to see, a machine in the facility or a specific section of the warehouse, you're going to need to go through safety protocols. You're going to need to sign certain documentation saying you won't reverse engineer things. You have a much more complex logic string and visitor path than you would if, say, you're just there to deliver lunch.
All of that information is stored in the kiosk to allow that visitor to follow the correct path and essentially not waste their time with information that isn't relevant to them and only serve them what they need to know so they can get in and get out and make that check-in and check-out process as quickly as possible. These unique visitor outcomes are incredibly important and we put a lot of work into them so our customers don't have to. And the information we gather is thorough, it's structured, it's in an organized spot, and overall it's safer because it's stored securely and digitally behind a firewall.
The inspiration for the various visitor types and logic paths comes entirely from user feedback. Over the years, we've worked with a variety of companies, and each of those companies has said, hey, we have this type of visitor, or hey, we have this unique scenario. Can you help us figure out how to best suit it?
The LobbyFox software does come preloaded with our most popular configurations and visitor options, but we can create customized options for each and every customer, change the logic path that each visitor takes, and customize the kiosk to be the appropriate visitor experience for each visitor each and every time.
So one of the more common types of visitors is this unsolicited visitor, this uninvited guest. And there's a lot of ways you can deal with that. One of the current ways is to let unscheduled visits know that they need to contact someone to make an appointment. LobbyFox has considered an upgrade, which would be a trap door that would open. But currently, the function is to turn those people away and help save the time of all of the resources that you have there at your facility. Our philosophy at LobbyFox is for us to be accommodating to you and for you to be accommodating to your visitors. And that's why LobbyFox is the only system that really allows you to create an unlimited type of visitor pass.